Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you will like this video. Today I will show you how to make homemade ghee at home. For this recipe all you need is a butter. I will use homemade butter. If you want to know how you can make homemade butter within 5 minutes, I will put the link down below. You can check it out. On a preheated saucepan, I will put the butter and I have to mix it continuously to make sure that it doesn't get burned. Also have to make sure the flame is really low because the high flame can burn the butter quickly, and if the butter gets burned somehow, the ghee will not turn out well. After cooking minute or two, we will see this kind of bubbles comes up, and we have to cook it until the bubbles completely disappear. Once the bubble completely disappear, the ghee will be very clear. It will look exactly like this. Now we have to let it cool down, and after that we can strain this ghee with a strainer or use as it is. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel if you like it and if that helps you at all. Thank you.